Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Double-cooked pork, or Huiguorou, is a Sichuan dish featuring thinly sliced pork belly that's first boiled, then stir-fried with vegetables like leeks and bell peppers and seasoned with fermented broad bean chili paste. The dish is known for its rich, smoky flavor and the contrast between the crispy edges of the pork and the tender interior. Double-cooked pork exemplifies the Sichuan cooking technique of using high heat and quick stir-frying to seal in flavors. This is exactly the kind of culinary adventure we love to explore on Happy English. We dive into the rich tapestry of global cuisines, uncovering the stories behind the dishes and the cultures they come from. Our journey takes us from the bustling streets of Chengdu to your kitchen, bringing you closer to the authentic flavors of Sichuan hot pot. Along the way, we'll share cooking tips and tricks, helping you recreate these dishes at home. So, grab your apron and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes on Happy English, your passport to the world of gastronomy.